Hello, I am Matthew McLaurin. Welcome to this episode of the Titus Timeout podcast. Traditional drop ceilings can make some spaces feel cramped and enclosed, especially those spaces with limited height between floors. Exposed ceilings have widely been adopted as a way to make these spaces feel more open. However, there are still key areas like lobbies, conference rooms, and customer meeting and training areas where an exposed ceiling doesn't provide these marquee spaces with the appropriate design aesthetic. A common solution to this problem is the use of slat-type ceilings, like this space using a wood slat. For the more energy-conscious designer, this may seem like it poses a problem for use with chill beams, but that's not necessarily the case. These types of ceilings can be used either with passive or active beams with a few design considerations. The first of these design considerations for either active or passive beams is that the free area needs to be at least 50% and must not have any acoustical backing material installed where to prevent conditioned air from reaching the room below. For a passive beam installed above a slat-type ceiling, this would mean having an area immediately surrounding the beam without acoustical backing. This area should be at least equal to the area of the beam. This will ensure that the convective flow path is established with warm air rising above the slats and cooled air flowing down into the occupied space. This will ensure that the convective flow path is established with warm air rising above the slats and the cooled air flowing down into the occupied zone. For an active chill beam, the alignment of the slats is critical. If the slats are aligned perpendicular to the throw pattern, as shown here, the air discharged from the beam will collide with the slats and dump into the room. Not only does this compromise comfort, but it will also affect induction, compromising the cooling and heating performance. This arrangement should not be used. The slat should always run in the same direction as the throw pattern. This will allow for proper induction and room air mixing. Additionally, the ceiling section directly below the beam should be removable to enable access to the coil for cleaning every 2 to 5 years. If the wood slat ceiling height is above 14 feet, heating performance may suffer. This is the case with all overhead mix systems. For these applications, a vertical throw chilled beam or vertical throw diffuser should be used. This will make sure that heated air is delivered to the space without stratification. Another consideration is the color of the beam. When installing chilled beams above a slat ceiling, the standard white finish should not be used. The optional black finish will help conceal their installation and maintain the desired appearance. For more information on chill beams and their benefits, please visit our website, titus-hvac.com, or our YouTube channel for previous podcasts and webinars. While you're there, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for taking a time out with us.